So basically, what should you remember or what should you know about reading comprehension? There are 4 RCs plus 8 VA questions, and you have to do this in 40 minutes. Now, what should be your attempt strategy when, if you're like trying to get 99 percentile in VARC, what should be your attempt strategy? A lot of people say that, ma'am, is it okay to do 2 RCs? Is it okay to do 3 RCs? I do 2 RCs plus all 8 VA questions. Ideally, your aim should be that you do all 4 RCs and as many VA as possible. So you will end up doing maybe 6-7 VA or 5-6 VA as such. My target and what I always recommend is that do not leave any RC questions. RCs are the foundation of a very good score. So I always say do all 4 RCs. People generally find it difficult to do, but that should be your end goal. See, today you might be able to do only 1 RC, but by November, I want all my students to do 4 RCs. So if that is your target, you have to do 4 RCs. How much time should it take in an ideal attempt? In your first attempt or your first mock, it would not be the case. But in an ideal attempt, it should take you around 8 minutes per RC. Now, how do you actually spend these 8 minutes? How do you actually distribute them between reading and solving? So the way I generally look at it is that I spend 5 minutes reading the passage, and it's not just cursory reading. I read and do active reading. I read, analyze, think about the passage. I get a very good grip on the passage, and then only I go to the questions. A lot of students, what they do is they do a cursory read, then go to questions, read the options, then go back and reread the passage, try to find where the answers are, and they do this kind of mix and match approach. I never like that because I find it confusing. Because when you read the passage, read the options, reread the passage, you are no longer sure what is there in the passage and what extra information is introduced into the options. The options muddy the passage. So I generally do not like doing that. So I say that before you actually go to the questions, read the passage, analyze the passage, have a very good hold on the passage, and then only go to the questions. So I spent 5 minutes reading and thinking about the passage. I would actually say try it out. If it doesn't work for you, you can change your strategy. But one thing that I would say is that if you want the right way to approach RCs, try this method out where you spend 5 minutes reading, carefully reading and mulling over the passage and then go into the questions.